All right, guys, welcome to part 5 on how to get your retail showroom online with Shopify. So if you followed and watched the past 4 videos, we are going to end up with a website that looks similar to this, right? We have our tabs, we have our landing page with multiple collection pages showing information about what we sell and who we are, right? This is where we ended up. And the last video, we talked about how to get our collection pages with images, description, and our product page to include everything that's needed to show for, right? All right, so now we are ready then to promote. Obviously, it's your job to create a quality landing page, a quality collection page, and a quality product page, right? So that whenever you start spending ad money, you can convert, right? You don't want to waste, you don't want to throw your money away that you're spending on ads. But if you've created a quality website and you've spent the time and you think that it looks good, it's clickable, it's fast, all the information there is needed, then you are ready for this step, which is part 5. We are ready to add on apps that are essential. So for today's video, we're going to download the essential apps, which is Facebook, Google, Shop Inbox, and Postscript. So why Facebook? Because Facebook is a platform with a lot of eyes, a lot of public, a lot of traffic. And if you connect your catalog with Facebook, this is what your ads could potentially look like, both on Facebook, Instagram, and in different variations, right? In different formats. So that's the cool thing about the Facebook ads. And if you also want to show up on Google Shopping, whenever they're searching your product, you want to show up for in the first 3 spots. As you can see, we are here, American Furniture Outlet, for this specific sectional. So that's why you also want to download the Google app. And so what do? You go to apps, you're going to go to apps and sales channel settings. Then you're going to search for Facebook and Instagram, and then you're going to go ahead and click the Facebook, Instagram, and install it. Once it's installed, you're going to go to your sales channels, hit Facebook, get started. As you can see, you can read about it, get familiar with it, read about it. And after that, you're going to go ahead and connect account, your Facebook business page, right? Very important. I'm sure you already have one, right? Because this video is specific for those people that already have a Facebook business page. Make sure that when you go to your products on the back end that you're hitting these 3 dots and you're including Facebook and Instagram for all the products that you're trying to get synced in with Facebook. And then the next step is that we're going to go to Google app on Shopify store. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing, install it and download it. Once we have downloaded, go ahead and connect your Google account. You want to connect the email that is linked to your My Business profile for Google. Once again, Google My Business profile account, you want to connect it to here, because these are the next things that is going to ask that you want to check. This is your checklist. You want to have your Google Merchant account. You want to have your Google account. You have your Google Business My Profile. And you're going to create a Google Analytics property. So very important. These are all needed so you can start showing up on Google Shopping. After you download Facebook and you've downloaded Google Apps and you followed all the instructions, you want to go ahead and download Postscript. Postscript is an app that allows you to get as many contacts, as many leads as possible. It's super cool. It's honestly, one of the lowest hanging fruit when it comes to getting leads. And so, log in, create your account, and set up your app so that you can start showing up like this. You have your logo, you have your message, you have the coupon that you're giving them, and then you're asking for either phone number or email. I like phone number because we can call, we give them a call, we can give them a text, and then hit the unlock button. After that, you want to download Shopify Inbox. You want to install this, and it's gonna look something like this. That way, when people are landing to your page, if they have any questions, they can click the button and contact you directly. It will look something like this. You know, the client hits you up, and then you can reply, and then you guys can literally, you know, uh, make sales from the chatbot. And this is it for today's video, guys. So just to recap, we've downloaded the Facebook page app, and we've downloaded the Google app on Shopify. We've connected our accounts for Facebook and our accounts for Google, and we've also synced in our products to those platforms. And then we downloaded Postscript so we can get leads, and we've downloaded the Shop Inbox app so we can talk to the clients one-on-one whenever they're online and have any questions. So these are four very important apps that you need to download today, and we can continue our journey on building our Shopify furniture store online. Okay, if you have any questions, if you have any issues, obviously, as you know, all my videos I try to remember or remind you guys that this is just me leading you to the water. I'm not gonna hold your hand and do step-by-step things. You know, you have to learn on your own. You're gonna have to, you know, spend some ad dollars and see what converts, what doesn't convert, what works, what doesn't work. Why is my landing page look like this? Why can it look like this? What do I need to add? You know, there's a lot of variations and a lot of factors and things that you're going to have to learn. But at least our videos, you know, up to now, part 5 kind of gives you a base, a very important base that you can use and spread your wings from here. But as I was saying, if you have any questions, if you don't have time, if you want this to be done for you, you can always message me if you're doing $1.5 million and above in your retail showroom. And like I said, don't have the time, but want to get online as soon as possible, you can contact me and I'll be glad to help you. And we can talk about a potential partnership. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.